Hi everybody, welcome back to Login Giants. Today you will learn how to change the orders of photos on Instagram after posting. So let's get started by opening our Instagram application. Here, tap your profile and go to the post you want to make changes to. So let's say I want this third photo to appear on 4th position. So for that you need to tap on this 3 icon and edit. Delete the photo. Now you can see there are only 3 photos. Now the next step is going to your profile again, tapping the 3 bar and hitting your activity. If you scroll down, you will see recently deleted. Tap it. So this is the image that we have just deleted. Tap the 3 icon and hit restore. Now go to your profile. Now here you will see the third photo has been moved to the 4th position. And this is how you change the orders of photos. That will be it for today. If this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up and we will see you soon.